Hi, this is Lori Hiscock at Ruoff Home Mortgage. Before we meet in person, you'll want to have the paperwork for your loan approval gathered up and ready to go. If you have the right things up front, the home buying process will be much less stressful for you. So let's review what the bank will want to see regarding your assets so that you can have the right things with you at our meeting. Typically, a home buyer will be using some of the money in their bank account to buy their home. So let's talk through what the lender needs to see regarding that. Ideally, you should find your last 2 months' bank statements for all of your bank accounts. If you don't get bank statements in the mail or you don't keep them, check out your bank's website. Most banks let you download a full traditional bank statement online these days. Please be aware, the online transaction history is not the same thing as a bank statement. It typically does not have all the information we need, like a full account number, your full name, or your bank's name. You'll want to look further on the bank's website to see if they actually offer a traditional statement for you to download. You'll need to see all the pages of your bank statement, so even if one is blank or just shows you how to reconcile your account, bring it along with you. If you can't get your hands on your bank statement, you'll want to make a visit to your bank and ask them to print out the last 60 days account activity for all of your accounts. The teller needs to stamp these printouts, sign them, and date them for us. Before bringing the bank statements to our office, look them over carefully. We will need to document all deposits going into your account. If the only deposits are the direct deposit of your payroll, that's great. If you have other deposits though, you'll want to hop back online or swing by the bank again and ask them to print out a copy of the deposited item so that you can show the underwriter just what the sources are for the money in your account. This step can be very frustrating for home buyers, so getting this right up front will save you a lot of stress during the overall home buying process. Sometimes a buyer is using their 401k for a source of their down payment or to show additional savings after the purchase. That's great. Please get us the most recent copy of your 401k statement. Just like with the bank statement, we need every page of this. Next, find a copy of the terms of withdrawal for your 401k. That may be available on the 401k provider's website, or you may need to get it from your human resources area. Either way though, the bank will need to see it for your approval. The third asset that people often use to buy a home is gift funds. This isn't allowed with all types of loans, but it is with some. If you will be using gift funds, there are specific steps that need taken. You will need to get a gift letter from me that you and the donor will sign. There are also specific rules on how the money needs to move from the donor to you, so you'll want to talk to me about it before any money changes hands. All of this can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. My team and I can walk you through the entire home buying process step by step to make it less confusing and frustrating. If you haven't already, you can visit my website to start the pre-approval process. We'll take it from there.